JobNimbus doesn't publish a simple flat monthly price on its main site because pricing changes based on team size, features, and whether you bundle CRM and project management tools together. That matters because two roofing companies using JobNimbus can easily end up paying very different monthly bills for the same software. By the end, you'll know what JobNimbus actually includes, how pricing is typically structured, and what drives the cost up or down so you can decide if it fits your business or if you're overpaying for features you won't use. JobNimbus is built for contractors, especially roofing and exterior businesses. It combines CRM tools like lead tracking and follow-ups with production tools like job scheduling, task management, and payment tracking. The pricing is not one size fits all, because you're essentially paying for access to a system that scales with your workflow. The first thing that affects cost is user count. JobNimbus charges based on how many people in your company need access. A solo contractor will always pay less than a team with office staff, sales reps, and project managers all logged in. The second factor is feature depth. Basic setups usually focus on lead tracking, job management, and customer communication. Higher cost setups tend to include automation tools, advanced reporting, and integrations with estimating or accounting software. Each added layer increases the monthly total because it replaces multiple separate tools. The third factor is onboarding and setup. JobNimbus often includes setup support and training, which can be bundled or billed depending on your plan. Companies that need more help getting their workflows built inside the system usually end up on higher tier arrangements. Here's the practical takeaway. JobNimbus is rarely the cheapest option in the contractor software space. The value comes from replacing spreadsheets, text-based scheduling, and scattered job tracking with one system. If your business is already doing consistent monthly revenue and you're losing time on admin work, the software usually pays for itself in saved hours and fewer missed follow-ups. If you're still very small or handling jobs manually without much structure, the cost can feel heavy compared to simpler tools. So, here's the summary. JobNimbus pricing depends on team size and features. Costs increase mainly when you add users and automation tools. It's best suited for contractors who already need structured job tracking. Next step is simple. List your current tools and compare them to what JobNimbus replaces so you can see if you're paying twice for the same workflow. If you want breakdowns like this for other contractor software, subscribe for more straight comparisons without the marketing noise.